Amber Heard is not going to be exonerated from any legal charge anytime soon, as another detail has revealed what may affect her lawsuit with the Australian government. Keep watching to find out more. In a picture unveiled online, we have discovered that Amber may have gone against the order of the Australian government that was given years ago. Following the detention of Amber for the illegal importation of dogs into Australia, Amber and Depp apologized for their terrier's unauthorized foray down under in an awkward public act of contrition. A scripted video in which Depp says Australians are just as unique as their wildlife.
Australians are just as unique, both warm.
Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's video is a terrifying insight into state mind control, to be honest. And Heard's punishment, a 1-month good behavior bond of $1,000, was an anticlimactic end to a Hollywood clash with Canberra in an imbroglio dubbed the War on Terror. Magistrate Bernadette Callaghan said the video, played to her Gold Coast court, was of far more benefit to this country as a warning to would-be illegal importers than any conviction recorded against Heard. In all, the actress was handed a 1-month good behavior bond with no conviction recorded after the brief legal battle with the Australian government. The $1,000 good behavior bond came after Heard pleaded guilty to falsifying quarantine documents. In case you forgot what Amber did, the Aquaman actress illegally traveled with Boo and Pistol to the Gold Coast on a private jet when she went to see Depp while he was filming the latest Pirates of the Caribbean movie. Although she was to face 2 charges of illegal importation of an animal and 1 count of producing a false document, the 2 biosecurity charges were dropped almost immediately. But what was brought to our attention is that Amber was far from being in good behavior. In fact, she took illicit drugs a couple of weeks after she was charged with a good behavior bond. How did we know? Well, Heard's private nurse, Erin Filati, wrote in her notes that the actress was high for 24 hours after taking mushrooms, ecstasy, and drinking at Coachella in April 2016, and this falls within the period of the Australian drama. Client admits to illicit drug use during the trip, ingested mushrooms and MDMA simultaneously, and also consumed alcohol, and said she was high for 24 hours straight. According to her notes, Filati reminded Heard that illicit drug use would not be tolerated by the medical staff, and that it could interact negatively with her other medications. Client laughed and admitted to using mushrooms and MDMA May 9, 2016, at home with a high-profile acquaintance. According to the note, Client reported that her husband was not aware of the male visitor or her illicit drug use. And yes, the client is Amber. This means that Amber lied about being sober at that time, and this would also mean that she disobeyed the order of the Australian government. Apparently, the actress has further been tagged a pathological liar, and it seems as though that label won't be going anywhere anytime soon. Well, let's see what fans think. One fan wrote, "That's a narcissist for you. The unraveling is always the same. The victim sees no reasons for what they do. Nothing makes sense. Narcs cause that state deliberately. Narcs do have a reason for everything but hide their reasons under layers of lies and cruelty without any remorse." Another fan added, "This explains things. No prosecution if she stays on good behavior. There's been so much anticipation that Amber will be charged for the dog fiasco in Aussie. It's still hearsay, isn't it, about Coachella? No one's testified otherwise, I believe. Please correct me if I'm wrong. See you in the next video. Bye."